Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to visualize project progress with Zoho Project, the full 2025 guide. Let's kick things off by logging into your Zoho Project dashboard. This is your command center, where you can track all your project activities. It's a crucial step because it gives you an overview of your project status at a glance. Now that we've done that, navigate to the Task tab on the top menu. Here, you'll find all the tasks related to your project. Click on Gantt chart on the side menu. The reason we do this is that Gantt charts are great visual tools for tracking task schedules, dependencies, and progress. Next up, input your task details into the Gantt chart. Include the task name, start date, end date, and assignee. This helps us because it gives a clear timeline and responsibility for each task in the project. Now let's add some dependencies. You might wonder why this matters. Well, dependencies show the relationship between tasks and how changes in one task can impact others. To add a dependency, simply click and drag from one task to another. Once your Gantt chart is set up, you can now monitor your project progress in real time. Pay close attention to the color coding. Green tasks are complete, yellow tasks are in progress, and red tasks are overdue. This visual guide helps you identify bottlenecks and delays quickly and efficiently. Remember, you can also use the Task Reports feature to generate detailed reports on task status, hours logged, and assignee productivity. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Zoho Project is compiling all the data from your tasks and presenting it in a simple, actionable report. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you're now able to visualize your project progress in Zoho Project. Remember, the key is consistent data input and regular monitoring. That wraps up our quick guide on how to visualize project progress using Zoho Project. Thanks for tuning in, and happy project managing.